In today's video, I am going to teach you Wix email marketing tutorial. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website and marketing tools in one place. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the main menu and go to Marketing and SEO, then select Email Marketing. This section is where Wix lets you create and manage email campaigns for your audience. After that, click Create Email. This will open the email creation area where you can begin building your campaign. Wix gives you a couple of options here. You can select a ready-made template if you want a faster starting point, or you can use the AI email builder if you want help generating a layout and content structure. Either option works well, so choose the one that best fits your workflow and the kind of message you want to send. Once your email is open, start customizing the content. Update the text so it matches your message and speaks clearly to your audience. Replace images with visuals that fit your brand or promotion, and make sure your links go to the correct pages on your website or landing page. This is an important part of the process because your email should look polished and guide readers toward the action you want them to take. When your design and content are ready, click Next to move on to the recipient selection screen. Here, choose who will receive the email. Be careful to select the correct audience or contact group so your message reaches the right people. This helps improve engagement and keeps your campaign more relevant. Next, enter your subject line and sender details. Your subject line should be clear and direct because it is one of the first things people see in their inbox. The sender details should also be accurate and recognizable so recipients know the email is coming from your business or brand. Before sending anything, click Preview and Test to verify your design. This step helps you catch formatting issues, broken links, or anything that may not look right on different devices. It is always a good idea to review the email carefully before it goes out. Finally, click Send if you are ready to deliver the campaign right away, or choose Schedule if you want to send it at a later time. Scheduling can be useful if you want your email to go out at a specific hour or on a certain day. That covers everything you need to know.